Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we will move on in time, of course, there will be more and more PCs that actually will have NPUs or neural processing units in them as we're moving forward into a AI-driven computing world. And of course, one of the questions that popped up today, and I think this video is going to be useful in the future, is how do I know if I've got an NPU or neural processing unit with my CPU or not? And if you do, so first of all, it can come in two ways. Your CPU might have an NPU integrated with it, and you also can have a computer that has a autonomous NPU, a separate chip that is a neural processing unit chip. So it comes in different forms. There are some chips that already have NPUs, mostly in the ARM side of things, Qualcomm's latest chips, including a lot of chips in our phones. If your phone is not very old, will have some machine learning already in it. We know that Apple's M series of CPUs also has neural processing built in. So how do you know if you've got an NPU on your PC or not? Chances are most of you don't. But if you do want to check it out, you right-click on the Start button, go into the Task Manager. And in the Task Manager, you will go on the Performance tab. Now, I don't have an NPU. How would you know you have one? There will be a separate NPU entry here in the different hardware. So I actually found a picture of one PC that does, and so your task manager here would be like this. It would have NPU, Intel AI Boost. So depending on the brand and so on, it would show up here as an NPU. So it will pop up in the task manager if you ever have one. Of course, if you don't see NPU, it means you don't have one. So and once again, I'll say it very clear that pretty much most of you don't. There is very little PCs out there that are have an NPU in it. But that will change because we're going to talk about something in the next video on the sales of PCs that are coming this year, and a little bit of news about that. So it's easy. Just go to your task manager, go into the performance tab, and if you see NPU, you're a lucky one. And if you're like me, which probably most of you are, there will be no NPU section. So there's no neural processing unit in this machine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.